In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a VLAN on Mikrotik router. Alright, for this video tutorial, I have just one Mikrotik router 1 powered on, and let me just log in quickly. I'm gonna use the same Mikrotik router what I used in the previous video. So here I have two interfaces. You can see WAN and the other one is the LAN for Windows PC. So something to keep in mind, you never create VLAN on the WAN port. Yeah, you understood me right. You never create VLAN on the WAN port. Why? Because it's mentioned from its name, VLAN. So it's always gonna be on the LAN interface. Alright, to create a VLAN on Mikrotik router, you have to go to interfaces. So it will show you this page right here, and then you will have to find the VLAN tab that's probably on 4th or 5th number in every Mikrotik. So under VLAN section, you just click on a plus sign and assign a name. Like I'm gonna say VLAN 15. So sorry, spelling mistake. VLAN 15, and the ID, it should be the same as I told you in my previous video in the Cisco. The VLAN ID always matters. VLAN and the name, it doesn't matter. And another thing, what I told you, it always has to be on the LAN network. So the Ether 1 is WAN, so it should be in the Ether 2. That's the LAN interface. Apply and then OK. That's all. The VLAN is created, and these are all the configuration you need right here. And it's as I told you in my previous video, it works as an actual LAN. Like whatever you can do on your physical interface, you can do the same thing on the virtual LAN. Like you can create DHCP server, you can create PPPoE server, or whatever you want to do. And if you want to learn how to create a DHCP server on a VLAN, just click on the video. The thumbnail is showing on the right side. Click on that video and you'll be redirected to that. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Bye bye. I will see you in the next video.